warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I would like to review and briefly explain an article that my research team and I have written, entitled Students' Strategies in Coping Academic Writing Challenges. Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever felt confused, stuck, or unmotivated when writing an academic paper in English? If your answer is yes, then this study is highly relevant to your experience. Academic writing is widely recognized as one of the most challenging skills for EFL, or English as a Foreign Language student. Unlike speaking or listening, academic writing requires not only language accuracy but also critical thinking, logical organization, and familiarity with academic conventions. Previous studies have shown that students often struggle with generating ideas, organizing arguments coherently, using formal academic language, and maintaining motivation and confidence while writing. However, many earlier studies mainly focus on students' errors and weaknesses rather than exploring how students actively cope with these difficulties. Therefore, this research aims to shift the focus from problem alone to students' coping strategies in academic writing. This study was conducted with three main objectives. First, to identify the major challenges faced by undergraduate EFL students in academic writing. Second, to explore the strategies students use to cope with those challenges. And third, to examine how students' self-regulation and attitude towards writing relate to their ability to overcome writing difficulties. At this point, I would like you to reflect briefly. When you face difficulty in writing, do you have a clear strategy or do you tend to delay the task? Then, this study employ a mixed method research design, combining quantitative and qualitative approaches. These participants were 24 undergraduate students from the English Education Study Program at Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Data were collected through an online questionnaire consisting of Likert scale items to identify common problems and strategies, and open-ended questions to capture students' personal experiences. The research was descriptive in nature, meaning that it aimed to describe existing conditions rather than to test cause and effect relationships. The result revealed several major challenges experienced by students. Most students reported difficulties in first, expressing ideas clearly, organizing their writing coherently, avoiding interference from their first language, and maintaining motivation in academic writing. However, an important finding of this study is that students were not passive in facing these challenges. They employ various coping strategies such as creating outlines and mind maps before writing, and then reading journal article to enrich ideas and vocabulary, revising their drafts repeatedly, seeking feedback from peers and lecturers, and using AI tools such as ChatGPT for brainstorming and language improvement. These strategies reflect a combination of cognitive, metacognitive, social, and technological approaches. And the findings support the self-regulated learning theory and the socio-cognitive theory of writing, which view writing as a recursive process involving planning, monitoring, and reflection. One particularly interesting result in the use of AI tools in academic writing. Students did not use AI as a substitute for writing, but rather a supportive tool to recognize ideas, improve grammar, and overcome writer's block. This suggests that digital literacy is becoming an integral part of academic writing competency. At this stage, I invite you to consider these questions. How can we use technology ethically and effectively to support our academic work? To conclude, this study demonstrates that academic writing challenges among EFL students are multidimensional, involving linguistic, cognitive, affective, and technological factors. Students who apply effective coping strategies and self-regulated learning behavior are better able to manage these challenges. From an educational perspective, the study suggests that academic writing instruction should go beyond grammar correction. It should also emphasize strategy-based writing instruction, metacognitive awareness, peer feedback, and responsible use of digital tools. We hope that this research can contribute to improving academic writing instruction and help students becoming more confident and independent independent academic writers. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or similar experiences, please feel free to share them. Okay, I think that's enough for my explanation. Okay, and that's all from my video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.